have a tendency to accept electrons to form negatively charged ions or anions. Chlorine has an electronic configuration of 2, 8 and 7. During a chemical reaction, chlorine can accept an electron from a metal like sodium to form a chloride ion. A chloride ion has an electronic configuration of 2, 8 and 8. Physical properties of nonmetals. Nonmetals exist as solids, liquids and gases. Example, silicon and carbon are solids, bromine is a liquid, chlorine, fluorine and oxygen are gases. Nonmetals are non-lustrous and have a dull appearance in nature. Most of the nonmetals have very low density. Oxygen and nitrogen are lighter than air. Exception is diamond, a form of carbon. Diamond is one of the strongest known substances. Nonmetals are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Exception is graphite, a form of carbon which is a good conductor of electricity. Nonmetals have low melting point and boiling points. Sulfur and phosphorus have low melting and boiling points. Reaction between nonmetals produce covalent compounds. Example, hydrogen and chlorine react with each other, form hydrogen chloride. Nonmetals reacts with oxygen to form oxides, which are either acidic or neutral in nature. Sulfur reacts with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide, which is acidic in nature. Nitrogen reacts with limited supply of oxygen to form nitric oxide, which is a neutral oxide in nature. Nonmetal oxides dissolve in water to form acidic solutions. Sulfur dioxide dissolves in water to form sulfurous acid. Nonmetal chlorides are covalent in nature. For example, HCl and CCl4. Nonmetals are good oxidizing agents. For example, sulfur in hydrogen sulfide undergoes oxidation when hydrogen sulfide reacts with chlorine. The arrangement of metal in the decreasing order of their reactivity is known as activity series. In the activity series, highly reactive metals placed at the top and the least reactive metals placed at the bottom. Gold placed at the bottom of the series is the least reactive among the metals, and potassium placed at the top is the highly reactive metal. Electropositive character will decrease while moving down the series, thus reducing power of the metal. Hydrogen is the non-metal included in the order to compare the reactivity of metals. Thus, metals which are placed above hydrogen can displace hydrogen from dilute acids. Metals placed below the hydrogen in the activity series cannot displace hydrogen from the diluted acids. The metals placed higher in the series can displace the other metals which are below from its salt solution. Thus, potassium can displace all other metals from their salt solutions. Potassium can displace hydrogen from the acid. Zinc replaces copper from copper sulfate. Metals of low reactivity cannot displace high reactive metals from their salts. For this reason, oxides of highly reactive metals like magnesium and aluminium are not reduced easily either by hydrogen, carbon or carbon monoxide. Metals that are placed below copper do not rust easily because of their low reactivity.